CCBC offers hundreds of programs and certifications to the 50,000 students who come to us every year. And one of the very special ones is our entrepreneurial program.
We began the Center for Business Innovation at CCBC because we found many of our students and alumni are looking to start new businesses. So we now have workshops, we have mentoring.
The Center for Business Innovation, if I'm to sum it in one word, it's about support. The support it provides to entrepreneurs who are in early stages of their business and who need the help the most.
They engage them in their topical workshops, and they engage them with our finalists. Our mentoring support that we provide to our students is all by virtue of the Ratcliffe Foundation's generous support to the college.
There are a few things that are very important to the Ratcliffe Foundation in choosing programs that we fund or will continue to fund. Phil and Carole, the founders of the Ratcliffe Foundation, they were entrepreneurs, they worked hard, they didn't inherit their money, they earned it, and they loved community colleges. One of the reasons they love community colleges is because really everybody had an opportunity.
CCBC Business Innovation allows us to meet up with mentors and other business owners as well, so you have people that you can talk to, share ideas, and kind of know what you're going through.
One of my target customers are construction companies, so it's helpful to work with my mentor who worked in a construction company as an executive and get an insight as to what their needs are and how they perceive companies like myself.
With the help of the Business Innovation Program, I learned how to talk to different type of customers. I learned my target market, and now I have over 750 customers.
I recommend the Center for Business Innovation to my friends all the time. Just having that support, having people to call on, helping me to set up my Google listing, that was huge for me. That alone has netted a ton of business.
CCBC focuses on workforce development. The Center for Business Innovation does help us move that needle in this region and in the state of Maryland.
I want to just say, if you've got a business idea that you want to try out, come see us.